Here we go. This is the Mixer 5-box Mixer hit draft. Everybody that is in the random for the hit draft is on the screen there in the randomizer. Let me make this a little bigger. Alright guys, so basically this is a hit draft. So everybody that's in the randomizer, I'm going to random this list, and that's going to determine the hit draft order. So the one spot is going to get the first pick in the draft. And we'll just go down the line, and we're going to snake draft. So it's going to go 1 to 10, and then 10 to 1. And we're just going to keep going in that order, snake draft style, until all the hits are gone. You know, all the good stuff is gone. If, you know, we'll kind of play it by ear and see how it goes. So here we go. It's the first time we're doing a hit draft mixer, so should be a fun one here. So good luck to everybody that's in the random. We're going to go ahead and dice roll it up, see how many times we're going to random the list. Snake Eyes is a reroll. We're going 5. 5 times on the random. Alright guys, here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5th and final time. Good luck. 5. Look at that. Posey with a 1 spot. Michael, man, Michael, you get 2 and 3 spot. It's a nice position to be in right there. Harold with a 4 spot. Brian with a 5 spot. Sergio 6. Sergio 7. Sonny 8. Casper 9. Brian 10. So for a killer bunch of boxes here. Alright, so that is the draft order. Let's go ahead and get breaking. Good luck, guys. Hope this is a nice one. Hope we pull a bunch of nice cards out of this one here. So there's plenty to go around. Let's do Michael, what do you want to do first? How do you want to start this off, man? You pick the first box. You want to do the blasters first and just knock those out? And do the hobbies after that? Or you want to wait and do those at the end? You want to do select first? Alright. Alright, we're going to start off with select. Here we go, guys. Good luck. Hold on 1 second here. Alright, cool. Yeah, you never know, man. You never know. It's actually been an amazing case so far. So let's see what happens. Ooh, I think I see a gold. I think I see a gold in that box. I knew this. I'm telling you, man, this case is insane. All right, here we go. We got a Verratti silver. You got a Van Persie silver. You got Thomas Mueller. I think that's yellow, right? Yellow. Out of 125. 10 of 125. Thomas Mueller. We got a Neymar jersey. Yeah. A Neymar jersey for Barca. Robbie Keane. Dani Alves. Tie-dye coming up. Blue Mario Götze. That one is number 299. And tie-dye Thiago Silva for PSG. Tie-dye Thiago Silva. Tie-dyes are number 30. You got Mats Hummels. Ooh, 2 of 10. Wow, Mats Hummels gold. Mats Hummels gold patch autograph. I think that was the gold I saw. All right, you got a Messi silver. And Griezmann, equalizers. Gabriel, what's up, man? Are you having the same issues with breakers also? Is it really bad? Is it really bad? You got Buffon. And Konoplyanka, blue tie-dye. Blue die cut. That one's number 249. And then we got Edinson Cavani, number 299. Autograph. Oops. Yeah, Ashley Williams. And Robbie Keane. And that does it for that box, guys. First box. All right, let's do a blaster. Yeah, Danilo, Dost, Ronaldo, studied success. Mueller and Ionis. Yeah, Murata, Noboa, Eriksson, Neymar, and Zoet. Iborra, Iniesta. Yeah, Di Maria, Casillas, Insigne. Yeah, Cesar, Boateng, Martins, Hanev, and Lloris. Wow, that was a horrible pack. Let's hope this is a orange bonus pack. Got some good stuff in it. Alright, Iborra. Iniesta, there we go. Nice little orange parallel for Andres Iniesta. Yeah, Mitroglou. Glau. How about that one right there? A little Griezmann orange parallel. And Lucas. Let's do the Prism now. Let's see that. This is actually my first World Cup Prism retail box I've busted. So I was curious to see what was in here. Box 400. Alright, here we go. World Cup Prism. We got Fabregas, Pjanic. World Cup Stars, Andres Iniesta. We got matchups, Pirlo and Gerrard. Yeah, any hits. Any hits or inserts is in the hit pile. Yeah, World Cup Stars, Thiago Silva. And we got Host City, Manaus. Alright, we got Net Finders. Kurzakov. England for the Prism. Benzema. You got Deutschland. And the Cup Captains. Nikunum. That does it for that box. Nothing crazy in that one. Alright, let's go to... I'll save Aficionado for the end. How about that? Let's do Donruss. You want me to try to turn on YouTube? I'm gonna try to turn on YouTube just to see if it's working. I could try it. Let me try to do that real quick. Hold on one second. Yeah, it's still not working. I don't know. I'll have to figure it out there. Let me reset the stream here too, see if that works better. Alright, let's see if this works better. Alright, Donruss time. Here we go. Yeah, Ronaldo accomplishments. Yeah, Icardi. Yeah, Milik. Yeah, Bullets. Cavani Dominator. And Van Persie. Yeah, Donner's debut. Kovacic. And Hawaii's. Had a gold, David Luiz. And Wesley Sneijder. Got Mueller. And Gold Mora. Thomas Mueller, Dominator, and Carlos Baca. Patricio Gold, and Witzel. All right, we got Isco. And Gago, I think. We got Yanko. And Patricio. And Tevez. Ison. And Sergio Ramos, gold. Got a die cut, press proof die cut. Jimmy Durmaz, 57/149. You got a Dominator. I'm sorry, Donner's debut, Lucas. You got Rebrov, Dominator. And Buffon, accomplishments. Akinfeev. Alright, that's sweet. You got Jefferson gold and Alario gold. Back-to-back golds. Yeah, Marcus Berg and Ahmad Musa. Bashui, Dominator. And Zayuba. And Huntelaar, Accomplishments. Carlos Tevez. And Mandanda, Gold. Man, no auto or canvas yet. There's got to be one in here somewhere. Casillas, Gold. And Gutierrez. We got Akinfeev. And Lucas Silva. Alright, Zoet. And Haddadi, Donruss debut. Parallel. Alright, guess it has to be in this stack, right? Robin, picture perfect. Maxi Pereira. Xabi Alonso. And Sergio Ramos. Huides, Gold. And Mandanda. Got Closa and Bashui. Wow, no autograph in that box? No auto or canvas? Unless I passed the canvas and I didn't see it. Did I pass the canvas? Not in that stack. Are we shorted? Another box, you get one canvas or auto, right? I think we're shorted in that box. I'll go through it again just to be sure, but that's what it looks like. we go. Magic numbers. Donnarumma. Yeah, Jermaine Jones. Power Surge. Artist proof. Huntelaar. You got Pogba. David Silva. Artist proof. Varane. And Johnson. Artist proof. Alright, we got Snyder. Global Reach. Aubameyang. Artist proof. Angel Di Maria. Bronze artist proof. 10 of 49. 10 of 49. We got Neymar Craftwork. Mamidi. Artist proof. Oops. You got De Gea. Artist proof. De Gea Global Reach. Bentancur, artist proof. We got something. Real Madrid, dual jersey. 56 of 99. Toni Kroos and Isco for Real Madrid. We got Nani, Portugal. Artist proof. And we got Rakitic. We got a Dembele artist proof. I think it's copper or bronze. One of the two. That one is number 249. Yeah, Luis Suarez autograph. Artist proof. 19 of 30. Mr. Suarez. We got Dembele artist proof. We got Ryan Giggs Heroes. Lewandowski Power Surge. And Thiago Alcantara artist proof. And finish it off with the artist proof Gareth Bale. And that does it, guys. I'm going to upload the video now and start drafting away.